After you finish with your hip circles around, your arms came down on 7-8, we're going to do a little foot pattern. We're going to go right, left, right, left, right, then left, right, left. Counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to travel it to the right. If you want to, as you step, you're going to push your hip away. So you're going to go push, together, push, 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 and then we switch the other way. Left, right, left. Try it with me. Right, left, right. Do it again. Go right, left, right, left. If you want to do arms with it, they came down on 7-8. We're just going to take them up on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then they're going to go back down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So they're just going up, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, travel it right. Go right, left, right. Bring your arms down. 7 and 8. We're going to do that 2 times in a row. So right, left. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, down. 5, 6, 7, do it again. Go up, left foot. Yeah. After we did that little step traveling right and left, we're going to ball change to the corner, do a little rock step. It's just going to be right, left. You're going to do a little chasse, right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, we ball change. Right, left. We're going to do it on the left, right. Let's just try this. So it's rock, step, right, left, rock, step, do it again. Rock, step, right, rock, step, left. So you're going to do that 3 times in a row, starting with the right foot crossing over. Ready? 5, 6, 7, right foot goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 3 and 4. You're going to do another pivot turn, this time on your left foot, and we're going to pivot to the corner. So you're going to go step, pivot, turn, step, pivot, turn to the front. So we're going left, pivot, left, pivot. That first pivot turn we did had like a bounce to it. This one's a little flowier and smoother. So adding that on, we're going to cross on your right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, cross right. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left foot. One more time. Left foot, pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. Yeah. There are arms. If you want to do arms, you're going to push this right arm, flex that hand, and push it to the corner as you ball change. So it's going to be 1, 2. You're just going to take them out. 3 and 4. You're going to push your left foot to the opposite corner, your left arm to the opposite corner. 5, 6. You're going to shimmy. 7 and 8. Push one more time. 1, 2. This time take your arms up. 3 and 4. And then as you pivot, they're just kind of going to fall down and flow down. So again, it was push one arm across and then out. Push one arm across and shimmy. Push one arm across and up. And then just let them come down. Pivot, turn, pivot, turn. Let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Right foot goes rock, then out, then rock, then shimmy. One more time. Arms go up. Pivot, turn. Just let them fall down. After you finish that pivot turn with your left foot to the corner, so you did 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to step this left foot in, and we're going to start our hips to the right. So you kind of got to feel this with the music. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're just taking your hips, feet are together, and you're just going to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, left, right, left. I'm just going to keep my hands here, kind of at my hip level. You can do whatever you want with your arms. And I'm going to plie and bend down for 4, the first 4 counts, and then the second 4 counts, I'm just going to come back up with those same hips. So down for 4, up for 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7 hips, go. 1, 2, 3, bring them up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do what's called a V step. Nice and easy, you're just stepping out, out, then together, together, out, out, together, together. That's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to do arms, same arm, same leg. So it's going to go 1, 2, and then as you step back on 3, I'm going to cross and touch my left hip, and then come and cross on 4, left arm touches the right hip. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm just going to do the same arms again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 1. Ready? 5, 6, 7, step out. V, step, step together. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's take it back to that step where we're traveling right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So we did those hip circles around, and then we're going to travel it right, left, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, we go. Right, left, right, we go left, right, do it again. So we do it 2 times, then down. Ball change corner, rock, chasse, again, rock, shimmy. One more time, 1, 2, 3, and 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7, hips go to the right, left, up, 5, 6, V step goes, 1, 2, cross, 3, 4, again, 5, 6, cross, 7, 8.